Why did the artist open an Etsy shop? Because they wanted to make a little change, one masterpiece at a time. So you want to start selling your crafts on Etsy but have no clue where to begin? I totally get it. I remember feeling super intimidated staring at that empty shop page for the first time. But let me walk you through it step by step because it's actually way easier than you think. First, sign up for an Etsy account and pick a shop name that feels like something catchy, memorable, and true to your vibe. Don't stress if it's not perfect. The real magic comes from your crafts. Next, snap some bright, clear photos of your creations. Natural light is your best friend. Lay your pieces on a simple background, nothing too busy, and shoot from a couple different angles. These pics are your virtual handshakes, so make them count. Now let's talk about listings. Write up honest, detailed descriptions. Imagine you're talking to your best friend about why they'd love this item. What makes it unique? What's it made of? How big is it? People want to know the story behind your craft. Pricing can be tricky. Research similar items and price yours competitively. Don't sell yourself short, but also remember you're new. So offer a little extra value, whether that's free shipping or a cute thank you note. Then, set up your payment and shipping preferences. Etsy walks you through it, but double check everything, and once you're ready, hit publish. Your shop is live. Promote it on your socials, tell your friends, and don't be afraid to tweak things as you go. Every shop starts small, but with patience and love, yours will grow. Remember, everyone started as a beginner, including me. So take a deep breath, believe in your craft, and just go for it. Good luck and happy selling. Before you go, visit my profile for more tips. And don't forget to like the video. Smash that like button and turn on notifications so I can keep making more awesome content for you.